Single machine workstation with line laser vision. What types of components can be welded? First, let's take a look at the components of a single workstation. The sensors made up of a point laser and a line laser. Other parts have the robot body, welder computer, and published operating system. We will take this circular component. Place it casually on the operating table. The operator moves the robot to the top of the building. Point laser camera. A photo of the build will be taken at this time. The operator draws a line on the photo. This step is, we're telling the robot what to do. This time, line laser vision starts on this circle for 1 week. Did a fine scan. After the scan is completed, the published operating system automatically calculates the welding path. Then solder directly. I'm drawing a smaller circle. You can weld one component at a time. Multiple components can also be placed at the same time, weld together. So in addition to the circular components, you can also weld this beveled multi-layer multipass. The ends of the groove can be irregular. It doesn't matter how big or small it is. After the mechanism obtains the weld bead data of this break, the publishing system will automatically write the welding path and welding procedures, then solder directly. Did you see anything? When a standalone workstation is equipped with linear laser vision, can weld some welds on a flat surface. So for example, circular linear welds, flat butt welds, etc. Some components without vertical welding. The next issue will share with you the ground rail welding workstation.